Hello, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to walk you through how to limit one-to-one email sends inside HubSpot in 2025. If you're using HubSpot as part of your marketing or sales strategy, you already know how important it is to manage communication effectively. Sending too many emails too quickly can overwhelm your contacts, reduce engagement, and even hurt your deliverability. That's why HubSpot gives us tools to control and limit email sends. So let's dive in step by step. First, head over to HubSpot's official homepage and log into your account. Enter your credentials, and once you're in, you'll land on your main HubSpot dashboard where all your activities and tools are available. Now go to the top right corner and click on the settings icon. This is the control center for all your customization options inside HubSpot, and it's the place where we'll make our adjustments. From the settings menu, look for the section labeled Objects and then click on Activities. Activities in HubSpot represent key actions like calls, meetings, and emails. Since we want to manage email sending behavior, this is the right place to be. Inside the activity settings, you'll find an option called Email Frequency Controls. This is the feature that allows you to regulate how often you send one-to-one emails. It's extremely useful for avoiding accidental spamming and for keeping communication balanced with your contacts. Click on Email Frequency Controls and then look for the option labeled Send Limits. Once you open this, you'll see settings that let you define exactly how many one-to-one emails can be sent within a certain time frame. Here's where you'll want to take your time and carefully set your limits. The right number depends on your team size, your outreach strategy, and the expectations of your contacts. For example, you might limit each user to a specific number of personal emails per day to ensure consistency without overwhelming prospects. By enabling and adjusting these send limits, you're not only protecting your contacts from email fatigue, but you're also ensuring that your outreach remains effective, compliant, and sustainable over the long term. And there you have it, a simple, effective way to limit one-to-one email sends inside HubSpot. This feature is a small but powerful part of keeping your communication flow professional and balanced. Thanks for watching. Do not forget to like, share, and subscribe for more step-by-step HubSpot tutorials that help you make the most out of your business tools.